Oh no. The GoPro is not holding up so hot. The tape is coming off. Think Gorilla Tape can fix it? I think so.
What is that? I'm right behind Dad.
Damn, this thing's heavy. Oh man, I'm ready for some jack. Looks like it's going pretty good.
Is this going faster than last time?
No, it was definitely faster last time I went.
You need help with this, or?
No, I'm good. Yeah, that's not the way. I can't resist though, it's so much fun to play with it. It's got reverse too. Yeah, you're not wrong.
You're gonna need that one dam.
Yeah, the dam, that's it, I'm not done, I was just catching up. Kid's in a race.
What's the buoy for?
In case someone falls in. Or honestly, I strapped like life vests and buoys in case this sinks. I don't lose this. So it'll still kind of float. And if I flipped in the middle of the dam, I could just swim to it, grab one of those if it really sucked. Everyone else's legs are already falling asleep, dude. This thing's so uncomfortable.
Well, it looks like you got a lot of shit in there.
No, this is just a buoy. There's nothing else in there. Got a lot of shit in my pocket though.
What you got in your pocket?
My phone.
That's good.
That's about it. Oh, broke the seat. I would not buy this kayaking again. This one sucks. I bought it because Runnings was the only place selling them. I used to have the same one Garrett has. That one's fucking awesome.
That motor?
Oh, the motor was 90 bucks, 25 bucks for the battery, and like 25 bucks for the mount.
That ain't bad at all.
No. It's like under 200 bucks, dude. I'll help you make one, dude. You really could, dude. That would be sick. I have a spot right here.
Move it over a little, one on each side.
You should put like a really big battery. So this motor will only last me like
Yeah, I was thinking
like an hour.
Fucking battery for a boat.
Like a real battery, yeah.
Like a real marine battery.
That's a lot more money though,
Yeah,
but
probably 200 bucks for the battery.
so make sure you strap it in. That's why I got buoys and life
Go all the way
vests.
back up the river with that thing.
I got buoys and life vests on this thing right now so that if it sinks, it doesn't all the way sink. I don't want to lose the motor.
Some sun yesterday.
Here, while we're not moving very fast, I'll show you how fast this thing goes.
I'm saying 2 of them would rip. Gotta go. Oh yeah, I'm moving pretty good.
It's got brakes.
Where you going?
Nate, why don't you just catch up to him? Just come up here.
He's going for a kayak too. Look where he's going.
Not making out good. That's how bad things happen. Paddle, 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 paddle. That's how you... Yeah. Yeah, basically. The water was a lot higher last time I was here. Yeah, the water was so much higher, dude, you couldn't even fit under that first one last time I was here. You can make it, Garrett. It was higher last time I was here. Just go straight to the right, follow those guys. I'm holding on to a weed. I'm gonna have to do something kind of crazy, dude, and like flip myself around now. Ready? Garrett, last time I was here, you couldn't even fit. Eric went to the left. Yeah, I don't know. The river's taking me to some bad places right now, too. Yeah, I got mixed some fucking... So in case the DEP came out or nothing, I'm drinking an Aquafina.
Does that stick to the face?
Yeah, that's the Aquafina. Too much.
You got the camera on right now?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good. I should point this way.
Whoop, whoop, yeah!
You should see that last YouTube video. I had it all dubbed out with like dubstep. Looked like we were drifting around the river. I had it like in slow-mo and shit. All right, this is freaking me out too much. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yeah, you got a branch coming at you.
Skills. Oh, fuck. These guys are just...
I like that big fucking handle on it.
Yeah. Look at the back of it. It's like a fuck. It's like square.
Yeah.
It's definitely like a dog in the water, though.
Right?
Somebody needs to tell regular Nate it's not a race.
I had this white water rafting one. This thing fucking literally, you do one little paddle, you're doing 360. Fucking...
Yeah, that one probably goes like through the water better though.
Fucking thing looks like a fucking piranha. The thing was actually called a piranha too.
Yo, regular Nate, slow down!
His son's trying to win first place or something. He doesn't know we're all just fucked up.
Yo, Garrett, how the fuck are you? Yeah, bad, you? Yeah, you know. Hanging in?
Hey Nate, wait up. That's a big rock. Oh, waves and that. It's all right, I'll watch you. I got you. Ready? We almost had a casualty. She almost flipped. She fucking yeeted it right into the ground.
Jalen or Peggy?
Peggy. Yeeted it right into the curb.
Oh, shoot that rock?
Not the rock, the grass.
Oh. What?
Hey Nate,
Peggy's smoking. Do something. Let it throw it in the fucking water.
slow down, man. It ain't a race. Tell him to slow down.
Yo, we raced down this one time and it was so hard. Paddle after we were done. Talk about a workout.
Yeah.
And the river went.
Oh, you really did that once?
Yeah.
Dude, fuck that. What about across
It
the?
wasn't like this either. It was like a regular river trip where you're bottoming out.
Yeah, when you're walking half the fucking
Yeah,
river.
It was serious.
I probably wouldn't even bring the motor for that
No,
kind
you
of.
can't. Once it's under fucking like another month,
Well, I can leave it up like this, but in the dam, it's definitely like I'm not
you'll
gonna.
only be able to use it in the dam.
I'm not touching it till the dam because the dam sucks.
It won't be able to fucking, it won't go down far enough.
I can grab onto one other kayak and give him a ride. It's pretty sick. Yo, anybody brave to go right with me? I'm fucking doing it. I'm drinking Jack. We're gonna fucking touch tips. Oh shit. This ain't as bad as I thought it would be.
I was kind of looking at my phone when you said that.
Yeah, don't go to that right though. Watch out for that thing. Actually, that was probably worse. That would have been more fun. I had like a fucking stream over there. Dude, Nate's gonna be at the dam before we get there. No, not even. They're gonna get tired. They're gonna stop. Once the river slows down, they're gonna stop paddling. Jump it. Jump it. Woo! Oh, that's actually really wet. Holy shit.
What are you doing?
Oh!
You're not paying attention. You're in the river.
I didn't even see it.
If you're gonna crash, give me some warning so I get it on video.
It goes like a pond. You go across the pond and it takes you to the river and you go all the way down 5 miles.
Yo!
I never took it, but my buddy says it's a good kayak.
Looks like there's a rock right there. Looks like it's probably too far into the water to matter though. Speaking of mucky to get out on, this is a fucking swamp, dude. Woo! Jesus, I'm fucked. Time to supplement the Jack with a little bit of water. To everybody, take 5. Pull in, I'll pull you guys up. I got boots on. Oh, Jesus. I'm way more drunk now. Just keep paddling hard. Hold on. Nate, just get it inside of her. She'll stop you. Garrett's not gonna make it. Drink the whole bottle. You won't.
I could probably take a little of that.
Actually, oh, Garrett wants some. I mean, you're gonna do it anyway. Can't get the Rona, man. Don't drink from the bottle. Just to fill up the rest of it.
Let me try this.
Oh, why don't you just mix it?
The water.
There you go. There you go. Just fill that half an hour.
Here, Garrett's like, I'm way too sober for this.
Oh, I do need that. He's gonna push off without it.
Ready?
The second time I forgot my paddle in the
I
day.
hope I do not flip over.
Roller coaster!
Too much weight in
I'm
there.
too fat.
All that fucking batteries and shit. Oh, I got some mud on my boots.
That sounds like a country song. Woo! Technically, is this technically drunk driving? Because if so, I love it! No hands! Woo! Okay. Smooth sailing. Come in.
I turned my paddle the wrong way. I went over.
It happens. I'm moving pretty fucking fast for like not moving, like not doing nothing.